Good morning, children. Yesterday we are learning about one and many. What is one and many? One means one single, many means more than one. One and many. One apple, 5 apples. One bird, many birds, 3 birds. Today we are learning about countable and uncountable noun. What is countable and uncountable noun? Some naming words can be counted. These are called countable noun. We can tell their number. They have a singular form as well as plural form. मीन्स कुछ नेमिंग वर्ड जैसे हम लोग काउंट कर सकते हैं और कुछ को नहीं काउंट, जिसको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं उसका सिंगुलर फॉर्म और उसी तरह से उनका प्लूरल फॉर्म होता है. वन एंड मेनी. काउंटेबल नाउन. The cake has 5 candles. The cake has 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many candles? 5 candles. हम लोग इसको काउंट कर सकते हैं. Same as many things like chair, table, etc. We count that. And the children are playing with sand. Can you count sand? No, we cannot count the sand. So sand is uncountable noun. Okay, uncountable noun. So do you know that some naming words cannot be counted? These are called uncountable nouns. Okay? They do not have a plural form. जैसे milk, money, time, etc. So we are learning about countable and uncountable nouns. There are many things around us. Some of the things are countable. For example, we can count the things like chair, pen, book, toy, table, fan, car, बाइक एंड ट्री. ये सब हम लोग काउंट कर सकते हैं, गिन सकते हैं 1, 2, 3 करके. बट वी कैन नॉट काउंट मैनी थिंग्स. कुछ चीज़ें हम लोग काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. लाइक मिल्क. मिल्क हम लोग काउंट कर सकते हैं? नो, मिल्क इज नॉट काउंटेबल. हेयर, शुगर, फूड, water, wind, skin and oil. These things we cannot count. Okay? These are called uncountable noun. So, what is countable noun? Those things we can count are called countable noun. And those things we cannot count, we are called uncountable noun. Okay, children? Okay. Here are some pictures. Ball, cloud, oil, sugar, book, fingers, water, again ball, and utensils. Color the pictures of things that we can count. हमको उन पिक्चरों पे कलर करना है जो हम लोग काउंट कर सकते. Ball, we can count ball. Yes, 1 2 3 we can count. Cloud, no, we cannot count the cloud. Oil, no, we cannot count. Sugar, no. Book, yes, we can count the books. Fingers, yes, obviously. 1 2 3 4 5, we can count these fingers, the fingers. Water, no, we can't count. Ball, yes, we can count the ball. Utensil, yes, we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. Okay, so which things we cannot count? Milk, hair, sugar, food, water, wind, skin, and oil. We cannot count these things. Now, here some exercise. Put a circle around the nouns that we can count. उन nouns को हमको सर्कल करना है जो हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. I have 3 balloons. 3 already counted. 3 balloons. So we circle the balloons. The teacher asked the children to write in their notebooks. The teacher का yes, कितनी सारी टीचर्स आपको पढ़ाती हैं, आप काउंट कर सकते हैं. yes. Children, you should count children. 1 2 3 4, like child singular and children plural. Okay. Notebooks, of course you count notebooks. So which nouns are countable? Teacher, children, notebooks. Now this sentence, my brother rides a bicycle. My brother, you can count how many brothers you have. I have 2 brothers. I have 3 brothers. So brother and bicycle. The boys are playing cricket. Which noun be countable? Boys. Boys, one boy and many boys. We can count boys. Cricket, no, we cannot count this. We saw 2 lions at the zoo in the Gopalpur. 3 namings what we have. So lions, we can count lions, 2 lions. In the zoo. Zoo is a place in Gopalpur. Gopalpur is a particular place. So we cannot count this particular place. So which noun is countable? Lions. The birds are making nest. The birds are making nest. Yes. The birds. Which noun is countable? Birds. We can count 1 bird, 2 birds, like this. And nest. How many nests? 1, 2, we can count. So the birds are making nest. We can count this. So children, what is countable noun? Countable noun. Some naming words can be counted. These are called countable noun. And what is uncountable noun? Those some naming words we cannot be counted. That is called, they are called uncountable nouns. Okay, countable nouns. chair, table, pen, book, toy, table, fan, car, bike, etc. Trees and uncountable noun, milk, hair, sugar, food, water, wind, skin, or etc. You can okay. You'll read and learn these things. Okay, children. Now, bye.